Hey guys, my name is Emma, and today I want to talk about a great way to improve your vocabulary without memorizing lots of words, like without using flashcards to memorize words. And that way is reading. I think reading is a really great way to learn new words and improve your vocabulary while also doing something that's interesting and not boring. Like memorizing words is boring, right? So if you aren't good at reading in English, like if you think it's hard or if you haven't practiced a lot at reading in English, I would recommend starting with short, easy stories. And one website that I can really recommend for this is Breaking News English. This is a free website that was created for English learners, and it has stories that are divided up by level. So level 0 is easiest and level 6 is hardest. So level 0 is much shorter. The stories are a lot shorter with less words. And then at level 6, they're much longer with more advanced words. So if you don't have a lot of practice reading, then I would recommend starting at level 0 and then working your way up as you practice more. And I think as you practice, you'll find that it gets easier, that you're able to read faster, and that you know more of the words. And so if you do have a bit of practice with reading in English, then to find the right level, I would look for a level where there are some new words. So there's some new things for you to learn, but there aren't too many. Like it's not frustrating or annoying or hard for you to read. You want something in the middle where it's a little challenging with some new words, but not too hard. And don't worry if you don't understand everything. That's fine. As long as you kind of understand overall what the story is trying to tell you, like what happened in the story. It's okay if you don't understand every word. Okay? This is also a method that I use myself when learning foreign languages because I really don't like memorizing words. I don't like to sit there and memorize flashcards every day. I don't like that. Instead, I really prefer reading, and I really think it does help. Like I think it helped to improve my vocabulary a lot, to improve my reading speed. I think it's a really good method. And so I would recommend doing it most days, but just, like something short, something that's a good fit for your level. Like it's okay if you really only read a paragraph or a few sentences, as long as you do it most days, like maybe at least 4 days a week. Of course, every day would be better, but if you don't have time, 4 days is okay. And as a bonus, if you want to improve your speaking while working on your reading, then I recommend that you try to read out loud to yourself. Now, this is really good for people who are shy or maybe don't have much practice speaking in English, because you can first practice with yourself, get used to speaking, and then when you feel more confident later, you can try talking to other people. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening, and I will see you again next time. Okay? Goodbye.